Hi everyone, welcome to Bengaluru Dream House. So today let me take you through a brand new, beautiful independent house with a beautiful location. So talking about the side dimension, so this property is 40 by 50 dimension, total 4,800 square feet, a road by 50 feet and length by 40 feet. So this property is east facing and all main door facing are also east. So this property is a 4 BHK duplex house. So as you can observe, the elevation has been done in the most classy and decent way. So as you enter, so this is the parking area. So two four-wheelers and two-wheelers can be parked at a time. There's a washroom also being provided for emergency purpose. So there's 3 feet of passage has been left around the house for ventilation purpose. So this building is built of pillar construction building. So as you can see, Italian marble has been used for the walls and the compounds. So this is the entrance for the house, 4 BHK duplex house. So for the doors, teak wood has been used for the doors and the windows. So as you enter, that's the hall, high ceiling hall with TV point, and also behind the TV point, the wooden wallpaper has been used with POP, and also chandelier has been provided also for a stylish look. So this is the puja room. So for the puja room, teak wood has been used, and for the walls, Rajasthani marble tiles has been used and also a small ceiling also has been done for the puja room too. So this is the dining area. So below the staircase, there is a small space being provided with cupboards to store things in. So that's the dining area. So next to the dining area, this is the kitchen. So as you can see, kitchen is quite spacious. So Godrej materials has been used for the kitchen. So starting from drawers, slabs, cabinets, etc. So as you can see, so cabinets has been provided a plenty. So there's a gas connection which will be connected from outside. So there's an exhaust point too. So this is a small wash basin area with tiles being made for the walls, and also a small beautiful mirror. So there's a room. So this is the first room of the house. So for in the room, there's TV point, there's a fall ceiling, 2 windows, there's a wardrobe, and also with attached washroom. So as you can see, Jaguar fittings has been used for the washrooms. So there is a geyser also being provided. So starting from wash basin taps to jet sprays, etc. So for the doors, teak wood has been used. So this is what the first room of the house looks like, which is in the ground floor. This is all that's there in the ground floor. So moving on to the first floor. So for the steps, 3 feet of space has been left between the steps. So marble tiles has been used with SS railings and taffan glasses. So this is the first floor. So there's 2 rooms in the first floor with a balcony. That's the balcony. So this is the view from the first floor to the ground floor. As you can see, there's a big chandelier over there. So that's the balcony with 5 by 6 windows have been provided. So this is a small wash basin area again. So this is the master bedroom. So 4 by 6 windows, there's a TV point here, false ceiling with a fan, cupboards with attached dressing table, cabinets provided above with attached washroom also. So this is the washroom. So again, Cera fittings has been used for this washroom, from jet sprays to wash basin taps, mirrors, etc. So for the doors, teak wood has been used. So this is a sit out area. So this is the third room. So this room is a kids room. So this is quite cozy and spacious. So as you can see, there's wardrobes, there's also a attached washroom, and this room has an attached balcony with 5 by 6 windows. So this is the washroom. So washroom has been designed in a different way in this room. So let me show you the balcony. So this is a balcony with a separate door itself. So again, teak wood has been used for the doors. So this is the balcony, quite spacious and huge. So there's a wooden wallpaper has been used for a different type of structure. So there's this huge space which can be converted into a gym also. So Taffan glasses has been used throughout in the balcony. So moving on to the second floor, which has 2 rooms. So there's one room for staying, and the second room is for laundry purpose, for washing area. So the second floor has been designed in a way that half of the floor is made it into a terrace and half has been used as rooms also. So this is the room. So this is the room, and that's the washroom, separate washroom. As we saw in the ground floor, the same design, as you can see. So quite spacious. So this room also has a separate, also has attached washroom. So this is the fourth room of the house, and this room is a laundry room, also can be used for washing area. As you can see, it's quite huge and spacious, where you can keep the washing machine to dry stand, anything that you wish for. So this is a small sit out area, as you can see. So this is the terrace, remaining terrace with Taffan glasses, and has been used for the terrace too. So there's 30 feet road in front of the house, which is a dead end road too. So this is the staircase. So one solar and one Syntex tank will be provided, 2000 liters capacity worth. So this is it for the second floor. So let me take you to the top floor where there's solar and syntax tank too. So as you can see, there's a solar already been provided with a syntax tank too. So as you can see, this property is located in Katgenele near Baglur Main Road, Yelahanka, Bangalore North. Pin code is 560063. So the budget is 2 crores, and also bank loans also will be provided. 72 to 75% of bank loans will be provided by different set of banks too. So amenities, Reva colleges and other amenities are also pretty much nearby to the college.